The Agama Sutra also says that shortly before the Buddha passed into parinirvana, he spoke to his disciples, "Bhikkhus, in this world there is nothing that can be relied upon. You should renounce worldly pursuits and seek tranquility and nirvana, where there is no birth, aging, sickness, or death, and where there is no attachment or separation. You should always contemplate the truth of impermanence." Therefore, the Buddha's last words urged us to remember the truth of impermanence, which carries the most profound meaning in Buddha's teachings. No one holy being or ordinary person can escape impermanence. Without exception, everyone will eventually be consumed by impermanence. Of course, a holy being's death is merely a manifestation. It is said that when a past Buddha was about to enter parinirvana, he left a verse: "All conditioned things are ephemeral like clouds. The wise shouldn't believe them. When the Vajra of impermanence arrives, it will dismantle the noble Lord and the King of mountains."